In economics and game theory, the Nash equilibrium is a state where no one can improve their outcome by changing their strategy alone. It sounds complex, but it is essentially about finding a point of stability when multiple people are making decisions that affect each other. Formulated by John Nash in 1950, this concept revolutionized how we understand competition in everything from business pricing to international trade. To identify this state, look for three things: multiple players, interdependent choices, and a lack of incentive to change your strategy unilaterally. It is often confused with Pareto efficiency. While Nash focuses on individual stability, Pareto looks at whether the group can get a better collective outcome. Consider two companies setting prices. If they both choose low prices to capture market share, they reach a Nash equilibrium, even if high prices would be more profitable. The bottom line is simple: you are doing the best you can based on the actions of everyone else involved in the game. Understanding game theory helps you spot competitive traps in business. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more money basics. See you next time.